Sum of digits at odd places minus sum of digits at even places is 0. It means difference of sum of digit at odd places and sum of digits at even places should be 0. What are the odd places and what are the even places? Number at first, third and fifth places are odd places. Second, fourth and sixth is even places. For example, 2574. Sum of digit at odd places is 2 plus 7 is 9. Sum of digit at even places is 5 plus 4 is 9. And difference 9 minus 9 is 0. So the number is divisible by 11. And if the difference is not equal to 0, the number is not divisible by 11. Rule for 12. 12 is the product of 3 and 4. Here we apply test of 3 and test of 4 both. Test of 3 is sum of digits should be divisible by 3, and test of 4 the last two digits of the number should be divisible by 4. For example, 1476 is a number. 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 6 is equal to 18, which is divisible by 3. So the number is divisible by 3, and the last two digits of the number is 76, and 76 is divisible by 4. The number is divisible by 3 and 4, so the number is divisible by 12. Rule for 15. 15 is a product of 3 and 5. Here we apply test of 3 and test of 5 both. Test of 3 is sum of digits of a number should be divisible by 3, and test of 5 is the last digit of a number is 0 or 5. For example, 5175 is a number. Sum of digits are 5 plus 1 plus 7 plus 5 is equal to 18, and 18 is exactly divisible by 3, and the last digit of the number is 5, so the number is also divisible by 5. 5175 is divisible by 3 and 5, so the number is divisible by 15.